get ready to go down a 500-foot water slide.
Top 5 sketchiest things I've done.
Biggest water slide of probably all of our lives. How did that just happen?
Loser. He just crashed the drone.
Does anyone have money just in case to offer them?
100 bones.
Hundo! Gary's rolling with the hundos?
He's going to see if he can get something out of the yerba truck.
A case?
A full case.
Wow.
What flavor did we get? Ooh, we got the new flavor actually. Berry lemonade.
Whoa, that sounds pretty good.
Gary. Gary. I'll crack one.
Found our first skim spot. Gary drank one yerba mate and we drove by a pond and he got super fired up. You're gonna go.
This is sick!
That's actually a pretty big pond. I don't think you're gonna make it across.
Are you gonna try
I
it?
don't even think Rosa could make it across that.
What's the game plan, Gary?
Make it across dry. Not looking that great. This is not looking nice.
It was like it gets super squishy, right?
Yeah.
Right in the takeoff line.
It's skipping. We're gonna start small.
No one wants to hear speech. Go.
Stop killing my audio. My name's Garrett Abdullah, and this is the pond skim.
That was really good, Gary.
From here, this angle made it look like you went 2 feet off the side.
Do you think you made the right call? Turning the car around?
Whoa! I love this ball. He signed himself up for this one. He saw it from the road, turned around. He thought he could skim across the whole thing.
The whole thing.
It looks smaller from the road.
Rewind back to the clip where he goes 2 feet.
Quick spot check.
See the white water
Glare.
Flowing already. Do you see it flowing?
This glare's gnarly.
Tell me about it.
Oh my Lanta.
You getting this,
Oh
Skylar?
my god. Ball right down the mountain and throw the guinea pig down it.
Hey TikTok, get ready to go down a 100-foot. Wait, how big is it? 500-foot water slide. Holy schnikos.
Oh boy.
Is that bigger than the one in Hawaii?
It's definitely longer. Here,
We're in for a treat today. Just fully turn into a different person.
Wait, where do you get out after it though?
there's a ladder at the bottom.
Yeah, but it keeps going though, the flow.
It's gonna be the biggest water slide of probably all of our lives, honestly. This is the biggest kook moment of my life. Got a bike helmet, water shoes. We're getting into something special today. It's Kai's 14th birthday. Just got stitches out of his thumb.
Snake territory.
Top 5 sketchiest things I've done.
I feel like one of those goats.
Yeah, same. That's what I was about to say. Oh my god.
Oh no, there's a worker.
Are you serious? Oh, that guy.
You see him? So barred. They might catch us at the bottom of it.
I feel like they're gonna be like on high alert now. I think he's looking at us through binoculars.
That's a condor.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, there's a condor
That
flying
thing's
over.
big. That thing's like 8 feet long.
It's gonna eat you as a snack,
It's
Kai.
gonna take us a little while, but we'll see you over
This
there.
bird's gonna low-key eat
Sexy
us.
beast.
Alright, thanks buddy. That's the largest bird in North America.
Wow.
That
We
thing
just
was big.
ran from Cops, hiked 3 hours. to
Lost
get-
all our
Bro,
boards.
You
Lost
could,
all our boards, but we saw
I mean, I don't think you will, but you could put
And look at this
YouTube and
view.
it'd probably go viral.
Hiking and booties
Hey guys,
is a move.
Skylar, it's my 14th birthday. We planned on going to a big water slide. Hate the buzzkill, but kind of had to run from cops in like every direction. Hid in the hills. Now we're currently on like a 1,000-foot cliff. 8-foot birds circling us. Yeah, but like it was a good adventure. It's good memories.
You won't forget this 14th birthday.
This is memorable.
Exactly.
Your mom and
See,
dad would
for
not
my
be
birthday,
stoked.
I wanted to do something I've like never done before. Be adventurous. And like,
Oh my gosh, that thing just looks so glorious.
Damn, that guy barred us so hard.
Look at how sick this thing is, dude. Oh, here's his truck. Running from the cops does to you. That looks
Find me a photo, I get. That's a good photo.
You're gonna have the zoomies. What's up, everyone? We're gonna go down some crazy dunes today and get crazy because we're crazy.
We're crazy.
We're crazy.
This is exactly how our 500-foot slide video started out, and we did nothing.
Blair's got a knife!
Ooh! Bowling alley wax from probably the 70s, before Kai was born.
How's it smell?
Yeah, it's definitely older than Kai.
Ooh,
That's satisfying.
very nice.
Get it, girl.
It's combustible. That's cool.
With how our trip's going, it might combust. Let us know in the comments what you want us to try out on the dunes, cause
We're never coming back here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's gonna go fast.
Let's go down, hold on.
Oh my.
Oh my god! Are you kidding me?
Look at his hat.
Dude, that thing's sick. I went into the wave on the other side.
I'm coming! Blair! Oh my god! Oh!
Yeah, you pulled it.
Just out here looking for sandworms. Look at him with his little bag of treats.
Oh my god. Dude. Ah! I have so much sand in my eyes. Oh yeah, we need some glasses.
Blair, look!
She's dropping. No way!
Oh my god!
You went far!
That was fast!
We're gonna go try another dune that has a down, flat, down. Oh, goalie pipe right here. Come back.
Oh!
Oh! That's pretty sick. That's kind of fun. All right, Kai, you're up next, little dog.
I'm trying to go from here down to that, down to all the way down there.
I think you got it.
Oh my god!
I pushed it too hard.
Are you ready to get ready?
You guys ready to get ready? Because I'm getting ready to go down the dune. This is bowling alley wax, and we're gonna zoom down this massive dune.
You're gonna do a dune zoom?
Dune zoom. Get ready with me to go up this dune. Alright guys, we're all ready to go down this dune. Here we go. I've never done this before. Oh, loser. It's really tough right here.
Oh my fuck! Holy! That was fast!
That was bad.
That was... Oh no! Oh. Yeah! that?
That was sick.
Oh my! That thing was cruisy.
I want to cry. It's our second attempt at a water slide. Blair's scoping it out with a drone.
It looks a little dry, guys. All right, so here's our run. I think we start up there. You just bomb down this thing. You're sliding all the way on the moss, and then you end up straight into the waterfall.
That looks mellow.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You want to go into that?
Yeah.
You're feeling. Oh.
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 You just got EMT'd.
Look, that was a drone die. That was just a full drone dead.
Your drone just died?
What just happened?
Well, it looks like we gotta go down there now.
No.
That's gone, dude. How did that just happen?
Wow, this trip's really biting you in the butt here.
Oh my gosh.
Looks like we gotta go the drone.
How?
Where'd Skylar go?
You just filmed that, huh?
I
Skylar!
don't think I got the screen,
You
but
didn't get the screen?
no, there's the glare.
He just crashed the drone into the water.
What happened?
Dude, honestly, that was I've never seen that
bird
before.
hit you.
Dude, a bird might have attacked me or
I think a bird hit it, and it killed the bird
Oh
too.
my god.
So how
Croaked
much
out.
money do you think you've lost on this trip?
Yeah.
Like a couple grand?
$500 worth of boards at the spillway, the first spillway. We just left $300 worth of drone at this dam, $400 on an Airbnb.
That was $400 for
That was
one night.
$400 one night.
Yep.
How much money do you think you spent at the sea shanty?
Sea
200?
shanty at least 250, but we got one free beer, so
Gas.
gas actually probably 30, 140.
And was it worth it for the clip?
Is all the footage gone? Or do you have files on the...
Oh my! Didn't even think about that. Here, I think you have to clean your nuts out of my car, dude. Look at the raisin on the stuck. There's not even a freaking fire truck there yet. It's combustible.